So why are promo announcements so important? Well, a promotional announcement is powerful because you're sending an email to your existing students, telling them about a new course or about your other courses. Since your existing students already know you, like you, and trust you, they're your best possible prospects for enrolling in another one of your courses. You've already built trust with them. You've already shown them your expertise, and now when they hear from you, they're very open to hearing from you, and they will want to enroll in more courses from you. The problem is most Udemy instructors do not know how to write a proper promotional email. That's because it involves the skill of copywriting, which is basically persuasion in print, and the average Udemy instructor does not know how to properly write a promotional email. So students end up getting spammy, ineffective emails that just try to push a new course at them, or worse, they receive desperate sounding emails that are begging them to buy my courses or here are some coupons. When you use this system for creating killer promo announcements, you'll get to enjoy the best benefits of email marketing. Increased enrollments and sales, increased student satisfaction, multiple course purchases per student, dramatically increased Udemy income, more positive reviews than before, and you'll be running your Udemy business professionally and not spamming your students.